Welcome to the Glitch Report, your daily marketing botcast. Brought to you by Leadpages. Here are our hosts, Kai and Luna.
Today we're looking at a few different pieces of news from the online world.
That's right. We're trying to connect some dots, see how things like AI are changing the game.
Yeah, changing how we see info online, how businesses try to connect with us. So let's just get right into it.
Absolutely. It's definitely a fast-moving area. These developments give some clues about what's coming.
Okay, first up, Google Ads. They're testing something called AI Max for search campaigns. It's in beta.
Right, AI Max.
So what is that exactly? What does it, mean for people running ads or even just seeing them?
Well, fundamentally, AI Max is about using AI to hopefully make search ads work better. With less manual effort, basically. The AI looks at the advertiser's own website, their content, and it automatically creates things like ad headlines and descriptions. Plus, it optimizes the targeting.
Okay. So it writes the ads and figures out who should see them.
Pretty much, yeah. The idea is the ad should feel more relevant to what you're actually searching for.
Right. So potentially less work for marketers, maybe. Yep. They can focus on the bigger picture.
That seems to be the goal. And it's not just generating text. Google's also adding a kind of conversational AI feature within Google Ads.
Like a chatbot to help you with your campaign.
Sort of, yeah. To help advertisers refine things, tweak settings through dialogue. It points towards, well, more AI managing the whole process.
Interesting. Okay, let's shift gears a bit from ads to how people are actually behaving online. ChatGPT.
Yes, the dominance continues.
It was the most downloaded app worldwide in April 2025. That's 2 months in a row, right?
That's right. And the numbers are pretty staggering. 52 million installs just in April.
Wow. How does that compare?
Well, it's up 12% from March and actually up 38% since January, so still growing fast.
And it topped both the App Store and Google Play.
Both charts, yeah. Ahead of giants like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. They're all in the top 5, but ChatGPT was number 1.
So even if maybe overall app downloads are dipping slightly in the top 10?
Which they are, apparently.
People are still flocking to AI tools like ChatGPT. That says something, doesn't it?
It really does. It suggests a real shift, in how people maybe find information or even create things. This isn't just a blip.
Yeah, sustained growth like that points to changing habits. Okay, third piece of news brings us back to Google.
Right. This time it's about their search quality rater guidelines.
They updated them back in January 2025, specifically targeting fake EEAT content. What's that about?
Okay, so EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. It's key to how Google judges content quality.
Right, those signals of trust.
Exactly. Yeah. And this update is basically Google intensifying its fight against deceptive stuff online. They've broadened what they consider having a deceptive purpose.
Okay, deceptive purpose. What does that look like? What are they trying to, crack down on?
Things like people faking their credentials, saying they're an expert in something when they have no background, or providing fake business details, even using AI to create like a fake persona, an author who seems credible but doesn't actually exist.
So people trying to game the EEAT signals to look more trustworthy than they are.
Precisely. The goal is to help Google's human raters, the people who evaluate search results, get better at spotting this kind of manipulation.
So it's about giving the humans better tools to identify misleading content, especially maybe AI-generated stuff, trying to fake authority.
That seems to be a big part of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Promoting authentic information and flagging the fakes.
Okay, so let's pull this together. We've got AI Max trying to make ads more relevant, potentially easier. We've got ChatGPT downloads soaring, showing huge user interest in AI tools.
Right, massive adoption.
And then Google trying to police the information landscape, specifically targeting fake expertise and trust signals, possibly fueled by AI itself.
It definitely highlights a tension, doesn't it?
Yeah.
AI is becoming embedded in advertising and how we search and create. But at the same time, there's this crucial need to maintain trust and figure out what's real, what's genuinely authoritative online.
It really makes you think. So here's a final thought for you listening. As AI gets better and better at creating content, even content that looks like it comes from an expert,
yeah.
How do you decide what to trust? What signals are you looking for? Does this change how you approach information online? Something to ponder. That's our deep dive for today.